Mihango ya uthondeki wa nguo kiganda-ini giki githie na mbere kugathiririo na kuhurirwo ndebe na itenya ria kwandandura thoko ya nguo ici. Riu rugamiriri wa kambuni ino utongoretio ni murugamiriri munene Ludo Fisinga ni uritie thirikari gutigirira ni manyihiria thogora wa thitima undu uria uthiete na mbere gukunderia umithio wao. Ningĩ Isinga ni amenereirie kuragwa thitima mahinda kwa mahinda, akiuga undu uyu ni ucungagiriria hathara nene.
Sometimes we experience outage of power. I think it's because of the generators that are set in EPZ which need some improvement. For that case, you see, for you to be competitive in the market, you have to lower the cost of production. And power is one of the main factors. Transport is another one. There are so many utilities that you need to scale down.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa ikiro Jonathan Tifalu ni agathiririe mihango kiganda-ini giki akiuga thoko ya nguo ici ikoretwo kiarama o muthenya.
Last year we did exports of apparel from EPZ alone about $380 million, and the importers from US who import these commodities from the region import them duty free and access free.
Kugena kuona baya agendi aria marekinya mwena wa gicua-ini no thiete na mbere na kuongerereka makiria riri twerekeire mambura ma Christmas na mwaka mweru. Kuringana na rugamiriria mikawa itiganite kuma gicigo giki kwa ihinda riri makiria ya gicunjĩ kia 90 harĩ 100 kia mikawa ni kirihitwo na bare ni agendi gicungiririo ni thabari cia ndege cia imwe kwa imwe nginyagia mucii uyu kuma icigo itiganite cia thi. Handu-ini ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa ni Bataro wa Mwangi.